Filipinos love pickup trucks as a lifestyle vehicle more than being a workhorse. And one of the pickups here in the market is the Mitsubishi Strada, which is capable of turning heads. Now imagine slapping rally art dito sa sasakyan na to. Banges, di ba? Well, imagine no more because today we will be sharing some highlights of this bad boy right here. Fort Manaan here of Carmude, Philippines, and we're here to check out the Mitsubishi Strada GLS Rally Art. Up front the vehicle is the dynamic shield front fascia na naka-blacked out. Sama mo na rin tong halogen headlamps. Also, dahil rally art trim siya, makikita natin tong red under garnish, pati na tong emblem na rally art dito sa baba for a more rugged look. Now, going back dito sa headlamps, mas maganda sana siya kung meron siyang DRL para mas up-to-date siya and at par with the other competitors in the market. Now, let's check din sa side ng vehicle. Dito sa side, makikita natin na naka 18-inch blacked out alloy wheels on highway rated tires, which could have been better if naka all-terrain tire siya since this is a rally art trim na supposedly for performance purposes. For functionality, makikita rin natin na meron din siyang mahabang black step cord dito sa baba for us to easily alight the vehicle. And since this is a rally art version of the Strada GLS, makikita natin na yung legendary red and white colors ay makikita dito sa rear door hanggang dito sa bed ng sasakyan. Pati rin tong rally art sticker na to for more yabang. At the back are rear combination lamps with small fog lamps to ensure proper illumination. Aside from that, this design would distinguish the vehicle that it is an Strada compared dun sa mga kasama mo sa daan even at night time. Kita rin natin tong rally art stickers dito to again identify that it is the rally art kind of the Strada. Pati na rin yung rally art badging dun sa mud flaps. So pag iniwanan mo yung mga kasama mo sa daan, makikita ka agad na yung Strada mo is rally art. Now, before opening the tailgate, makikita natin na yung above the door handles is the third brake lamp. So mas makikita ng tao kung kailan ka mamimreno. And then upon opening, makikita natin na it has 4 tether spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, naka-bed liner na rin siya. And ano pa ba nakalagay? Siyempre, rally art. Enough of this, now let's check the inside. So now we're inside the Strada Rally Art. As you can see, medyo surprising na despite the price range, hindi pa siya naka-leather seats. Because the vehicle is built on a mid-level trim dahil nga GLS trim siya. Yung gauges niya are still analog with digital panel dito sa gitna. Yung 7-inch infotainment system niya doesn't have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, pero may easy-link siya for you to connect your mobile devices. There are also provisions for toggle switches dito sa baba, near the center console, and a USB port and an auxiliary port dito sa baba, katabi ng ating 12-volt socket. To add, naka-leather wrap steering wheel na rin siya with paddle shifters that is similar to the Montero Sport. Aside from that, makikita din natin na very busy dahil sa dami ng buttons dito sa steering wheel natin to control the infotainment system and the cruise control function. Complementing the paddle shifters is the gated shifter dito sa ating center console. Maganda siya dahil this would prevent accidental shifting. So pagdating dito sa likod, makikita natin na there's a door handle on all sides. Pwede dito sa taas, pwede dito sa baba for easy ingress and egress. Makikita rin natin na space-wise, medyo snug fit tayo dito. And for the headroom, given na yung height ko is 6'2", wala na akong space for headroom. Not much can be seen dito sa likod except for the additional compartments dito sa likod ng upuan, yung additional compartment dito sa center console, a pair of USB ports. Now let's see how this vehicle drives. Driving this vehicle, you can see na very easy to maneuver, medyo light yung steering wheel natin despite the pickup truck's overall dimensions. Pero magaan siyang iliko at very fun to drive tong sasakyan. So andun yung rally art essence ng vehicle. Yung strong pulling power comes from the 2.4-liter diesel engine with MyVec and VGT technology. So on paper, the powertrain can deliver as much as 400 Newton meters of torque. So kung sa mga balaho lang, so kung sa gravel, sa loose sand, hindi ka masyadong kakabahan dahil kayang-kayang umahon nung sasakyan. So yung ride feel nitong Strada Rally Art is stiff. Dahil nga, syempre, sa common notion natin na ang pickups are workhorse and is used for off-roading. Aside from that, yung rear suspension natin are on leaf springs. Kaya you can carry more loads para magkaroon ng mas magandang talbog yung sasakyan. So overall, bagay itong vehicle natin sa mga asyendero, sa mga businessmen who are hauling produce and other products while having that spunk on the road. And that's all for the Mitsubishi Estrada Rally Art. To know more about the vehicle, visit Car Moody Philippines, and to check out the latest news about the automotive and the motorcycle industry, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube and other social media pages. Again, this is Fort Manath, Car Moody Philippines saying, till the next videos.